Hello everyone, start off by taking the top section of the hair and then begin to make a braid out of it. Now as you continue with it, now tie a rubber band at the bottom of it. After this, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back on top of the braid. Roll this section in on itself, gather all of the hair together and make a braid out of it. Now roll this braid upwards, fasten it underneath all of the hair and cover it up. Now use a pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle of the section and roll the hair in on itself through this midsection. Now pull this through the top, divide the bottom portion of the hair into two parts, and then starting with the left side, begin to make a braid out of the hair. Do the same for the right side, lift it upwards and then pull it through the top section you've created until all the sections are used up, and now add decorative clips on top of this. Next, we'll start off by gathering all of the hair together into a low ponytail. Roll this ponytail in on itself and then tighten it. After you're done with this, add a rubber band in the middle section of this. Now roll it up into a bun and pin it up in place using a multiple prong decorative pin. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, lift this ponytail up, comb it into place. Now using a multiple prong decorative pin, insert it from underneath and then back down. Gather all of the hair together, comb it into place, twist it downwards as such, lift it up and pin it in. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back and now roll the hair in on itself. Next, tie a rubber band to the hair, make a ponytail out of it, add another rubber band in the middle. Roll this over to make it look like a bow and then add this decorative clip on top of it all. Next, gather all of the hair together and section out the front of it. Afterwards, divide the hair into three parts and begin to make a braid out of it. As you progress with the braid, make sure that it is firmly put and then tie a rubber band to it once you reach the bottom. Now, roll it upwards, lift it up, fold it over and pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Loosen sections of the hair from the scalp to add more volume to the hairdo. Do this all around to make it even. Now take the ponytail, twist it, roll it up into a bun, and then adjust it in place. This is what it should look like. Continue to do so until all of the hair is used up in this. Afterwards, you may take a decorative clip or a rubber band and tie it around. Take the top section of the hair, comb it into place, add a rubber band to it. Now begin to loosen sections of the hair by using your fingers. Do this all throughout to add volume to the hair. Now take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take the section of the hair created initially and pull it through the second loop you have created. Tighten it. Now loosen sections of the hair from this second section as well. Use your fingers in order to do so. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back slightly loosely. Now insert the second section into the third section as such and adjust it as need be. Once again, move on and then loosen the sides using your fingers. Do this all throughout and then afterwards gather all of the hair together and tie a low ponytail out of the hair. After you've tied your low ponytail on the last loop over, make it into a bun. Take the rest of the hair, divide it into two portions and then wrap it around the bun. Now this will be the final look. Thank you for watching.